The RAV4 is the best-selling SUV in America, and the 2027 model is now running exclusively on a hybrid engine. The design is new and the tech inside has been rebuilt from the ground up, but here's what nobody is talking about. Some of the things Toyota changed are genuinely impressive, and some of them are going to make buyers seriously regret their decision. If you're thinking about buying a 2027 RAV4, you need to watch this first, because what you're about to find out might completely change your mind. Let's start with the good news, because there's plenty of it. Number 4. Quick and very efficient hybrid powertrains. Think about what it actually costs to fill a tank these days. You pull up to the pump, watch the numbers climb, and by the time the nozzle clicks off, you're already doing the math on how many times a month this is going to happen. That's the reality for most compact SUV owners right now, and it's exactly the problem the 2027 RAV4 is being built to solve. Toyota is dropping the gas-only option entirely, so every version of this SUV is going to be running on a hybrid system, and the numbers are hard to argue with. The standard setup is pairing a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with electric motors, putting out 226 horsepower in front-wheel drive trim, and jumping to 236 with all-wheel drive, enough to hit 60 in around 7 seconds while returning up to 47 miles per gallon in the city. But then there's the plug-in hybrid, and that's where things get genuinely exciting. Picture a commute that runs entirely on electricity. No pump stops, no monthly fuel bill that makes you wince. The PHEV combines the same engine with 3 electric motors for 324 horsepower, dropping the 0 to 60 run to 5.2 seconds with up to 52 miles of electric-only range and DC fast charging on select trims. The RAV4 is no longer just efficient, it's genuinely fast when it needs to be. And if the powertrains are this good, you'd hope the outside of the vehicle is finally keeping up. And for the first time in a long time, it actually is. Number 3. Attractive exterior. For years, buying the most popular compact SUV in America meant accepting a trade-off, practicality, and reliability, but not a vehicle that turned heads. But the 2027 model is changing that conversation because Toyota isn't just giving it a new face. It's offering 3 completely different styling personalities within the same nameplate. The standard RAV4 goes with a clean, upright design that reads confident without trying too hard. The woodland trim heads in a different direction entirely. Rugged bumpers, Rigid Industries LED fog lights, and all-terrain tires that make it look ready for something beyond the grocery run. Then there's the GR Sport, wearing performance intentions on its sleeve with Gazoo racing suspension tuning, summer tires, and a reworked steering setup. Whether you want something understated, trail-ready, or athletic, there's a version of this SUV being built with you specifically in mind. And that kind of range is rare in a single model lineup. But a great-looking SUV still needs to back it up where families spend most of their time. And what Toyota has done inside is worth paying close attention to. Number 2. Spacious cabin. Anyone who's tried to pack for a family road trip knows the drill. Standing in the driveway, staring at luggage, a stroller, a cooler, wondering how it's all gonna fit. That frustration is exactly what a well-designed cargo area is supposed to eliminate. The 2027 RAV4 is delivering 37.8 cubic feet behind the rear seats, near the top of the class, opening up to 70.4 cubic feet with the seats folded flat. The floor is wide and square with minimal wheel arch intrusion, making loading genuinely easy. The rear seat offers enough room for adults to settle in. Visibility is a highlight thanks to the upright design, and clever storage bins and cubbies are showing up in places you'd actually use them. For buyers who occasionally need to tow, all-wheel drive models are rated for up to 3,500 pounds, more than most rivals in this segment are willing to promise. A spacious cabin with strong towing numbers is already compelling, but the technology story is what's really going to push a lot of people over the line. Number 1. Loads of tech features. Most people have fumbled through a confusing infotainment menu while trying to connect a phone or find a route, all while keeping eyes on the road. It's one of the most quietly maddening things about modern vehicles, and it's a problem the 2027 RAV4 is designed to fix. Every trim is coming standard with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, with the infotainment screen starting at 10.5 inches and scaling up to 12.9 inches on higher trims. The interface is snappy, navigation runs on a 5G connection, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the board. And for anyone who's felt that creeping anxiety about the car ahead stopping faster than you can react, Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 is standard on every RAV4, bringing automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera and head-up display. For a compact SUV starting around $34,000, that list is genuinely hard to compete with. So the pros are real and significant. But now it's time to talk about what could make you walk away entirely, starting with something that hits the moment you sit down. Number 4. Plasticky interior. There's a specific moment when cross-shopping compact SUVs. You sit in one that feels genuinely nice, soft surfaces, materials that make the cabin feel considered, and then you climb into the next one and immediately notice something is off. That's the experience many buyers are going to have stepping out of a Mazda CX-5 or Hyundai Tucson and into the 2027 RAV4. Toyota is relying heavily on hard plastics in areas seeing constant contact. Door panels, the lower dash, trim pieces throughout. Neither the cloth nor faux leather upholstery does much to elevate the overall feel, and on trims approaching $45,000, that's increasingly difficult to overlook. A cheap-feeling interior is one thing, but it becomes a much bigger problem when the cabin is also letting in more noise than it should. Number 3. Not so great sound insulation. Imagine settling into a long highway stretch, cruise control set, navigation sorted, and everything feels fine until you need to accelerate past a slower vehicle. The gas engine wakes up and the cabin fills with a coarseness that doesn't belong at this price point. Highway cruising is measuring at 69 decibels in testing, above average compared to what rivals are achieving at the same speed. Road noise and wind noise are both contributing factors the RAV4's cabin isn't doing enough to suppress. Therefore, long-distance driving is going to feel more draining than it would in a CR-V hybrid or a CX-50. The efficiency is exceptional, but the acoustic trade-off is one Toyota hasn't resolved. A noisy cabin is hard enough to live with, but pair it with a driving experience that gives you nothing to get excited about, and the frustration starts to compound. Number 2. Forgettable driving experience. Picture a winding back road on a Saturday morning, the kind of drive where you want to feel connected to what's happening beneath you. That's the expectation, and it's the one the 2027 RAV4 is going to leave partially unmet. The steering is light and easy to manage in tight spaces, but it wanders under quick acceleration and delivers minimal feedback. The suspension handles corners with a detached, floating quality rather than the planted confidence of a CX-50 or CR-V hybrid. The accelerator feels jumpy at lower speeds, making smooth progress in traffic more of a conscious effort than it should be. The PHEV GR Sport is genuinely fun, but the standard hybrid lineup is about as exciting to hustle as a well-organized spreadsheet. Competent, efficient, and completely forgettable. A dull drive you can eventually accept, but the final con is one that wears on you every single day, starting the moment you sit down. Number 1. Seats could be more comfortable. You're a few hours into a longer drive, and somewhere along the way you realize you've been shifting around more than you should. That gradual creep of discomfort is one of the most underrated factors in any vehicle purchase, and it's where the 2027 RAV4 falls noticeably short. The padding leans firm across both rows. Rear legroom sits at 37.8 inches behind the Kia Sportage Hybrid's 41.3 and the Honda CR-V Hybrid's 41. The doors don't open as wide as on rival models, and the latch anchors for child seats are buried deeper than they should be in a family-focused vehicle. Toyota has done a lot right with the 2027 RAV4, but on long-haul comfort, it's leaving a gap that rivals are more than happy to fill. The 2027 Toyota RAV4 is a vehicle of real strengths and real frustrations. Class-leading hybrid efficiency, 3 distinct exterior personalities, a genuinely practical cargo area, and a tech suite that punches above its price. Those are things worth getting excited about, but hard plastics that undercut the premium pricing, a noisy cabin on the highway, handling that never asks to be enjoyed, and seats that stop feeling comfortable before the destination does are things worth losing sleep over before signing anything. The thing with this segment is that every model comes with compromises. The RAV4's key rival, the CR-V, is no exception, so make sure to check out our next video to find out more about its strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers call the CR-V an almost perfect SUV, but that doesn't mean much until you make your own evaluation.